Hello everyone, welcome to Softhex. This video is basically based upon the Wi-Fi password. If we are using our laptops or our PCs and we are currently connected to some Wi-Fi device, but we don't remember what is the password of that Wi-Fi device, but we are still using that Wi-Fi on our devices. Today I will tell you how can we check our connected Wi-Fi password. Let's start. First of all, we will go to the search bar and we'll write here command prompt, and we'll double click on it to open that command prompt, and then we'll write here a command. From that we can check out the password of our Wi-Fi devices, all the devices that are connected since here. We can find out all the passwords of that Wi-Fi devices, and we can also check out the Wi-Fi device of our currently using Wi-Fi device. Let's start. Okay, we will write here a command which is officially from the Windows operating systems, and it is automatically installed in this Windows operating systems. We will type here netsh, which stands for network show. After that we will type here wlan, show profiles, so here you need to check out that there must be no any spelling mistakes or specific word that is written here capital, or we are writing it with small letters. So you need to check out that if there are words that are written with small letters, you also should need to write on there with small letters. If you will write with the capital letters, it will provide an error to you, and this command will not work. We will press here enter. In this we will see that it has providing us a list of Wi-Fi devices which are connected with this system or our PC. So currently I am using this Wi-Fi device, which is TP-Link EC52, and after that all the other than that Wi-Fi devices are being used by this system. So it is showing that how many devices Wi-Fi devices was linked with this computer system. Check all the passwords of these Wi-Fi devices. You can write their commands one by one, and it will show the password of these Wi-Fi devices. For example, if you want to check that what is the password of this ABCD Wi-Fi device, so we will write here a command. This command is little bit difficult, but you can do it too. I will also copy this command and put it into this video description so that you can easily copy and just paste out here. And remember that you need to rename your Wi-Fi password, and the other command will remain as same. So let's start. Again we will write here netsh wlan name equal to and double, and here I will write the Wi-Fi device name, that password I need to check out. So I need to check out the password of this ABCD network. I will write here ABCD. So after writing the Wi-Fi device ABCD, I will need to write here E equals to clear space this or symbol space find space this double plus, and in between we'll write here capital K EY key and capital C content Okay, so this is the command that we are using to check out the Wi-Fi password of ABCD device. So now we will press here enter, and it has given us the Wi-Fi password of the ABCD Wi-Fi password, which is as above. So you can copy it and use it further. So same as we can check all these Wi-Fi password by writing this command and just renaming the file name, as if I have just checking it of an ABCD device, and if you want to check it of an freelancer, then you will write here a freelancer in between these double commas, and remember all other command will remain as same. So I will now check out the current Wi-Fi which is connecting to my PC. Current Wi-Fi device password which is currently connected with this device. So I have copied this command and just paste it here. Now I will only rename the name of my Wi-Fi device, which is TP. Okay, so now I have this capital link. By writing command, by using command prompt, you need to check it that there must not be an error of spellings or of capital and small letters. It is the syntax issue of this command prompt that the letters which are written with capital, we need to write it with capital, otherwise it will be shown an error. So I have written this. Now I will just put the enter command. So now it has also shown the password of this Wi-Fi, which is TPL link, that is currently my connected Wi-Fi by using this command. So it is the first method, but if you guys are thinking that this method is really tough for us, we cannot write this big command and we cannot remember this command writing in our command prompt, but there is a second method from where you can check the currently Wi-Fi password of your system. But the disadvantage of the second method is that we can only see the password of our currently connected Wi-Fi device. We cannot see the password of our previous Wi-Fi devices connected with our system. So let's move towards the second method. You will go to here settings, network and internet. Here we will move towards the change and adapter options. Here we will see the Wi-Fi, currently Wi-Fi which is connected with our system. We will right click on it and click on the status, then wireless or properties, security, and this is the password which is written here. So the currently Wi-Fi password is here. You can just check out the show characters button and you can copy the password from here. So I hope you guys understand that how can we check our Wi-Fi devices passwords currently and previously installed. And so if this video is informative for you guys, you can share it with your friends and family so that they can also know about how can we check out the passwords of our devices. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.